What is bond line drawing? A representation of molecular structure in which covalent bonds are represented with one line for each level of bond order. How to read bond line drawings. Skeletal formulas or line angle structures are commonly used in organic chemistry to represent molecules. Of molecule by omitting carbon and hydrogen atoms, showing only the bonds between atoms. Carbon atoms are not explicitly shown in a bond line drawing. Each point where lines meet or the ends of line represent a carbon atom. So these are the non-metals, most common carbon bonding partners. So the number 1 is hydrogen, number 2 oxygen, number 3 nitrogen, number 4 sulfur, number 5 phosphorus, 6 fluorine, 7 chlorine, 8 bromine, 9 iodine, 10 selenium. So this one is noble gases, chemical inert. Number 1 is helium, number 2 is neon, number 3 argon, number 4 krypton, number 5 xenon, 6 radon. So these are the types of bonds. The first is single bond. One line is the simplest type of chemical bond formed when two atoms share one pair of electrons. The second is double bonds, two lines. A double bond is a form when two atoms share two pairs of electrons. The third is triple bonds, three lines. A triple bond is a form when two atoms share three pairs of electrons. Carbon needs four atoms to bond because it has four valence electrons in its outermost shell. To achieve a stable octet configuration, 8 electrons in its outer shell. Carbon can form 4 covalent bonds by sharing its electrons with other atoms. 1.2 How to draw bond line drawings. Bond line drawings are a simplified way to represent molecules, showing how atoms are connected without drawing every individual bond. So these are the three structures. The first is Lewis structure, condensed Lewis structure, bond line structure. Gilbert and Lewis, 1875 to 1946. Lewis made many contributions to science. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize 41 times. Though he was never awarded the prize, he discovered covalent bonds and electron pairs. He believed that atoms bond to each other to obtain electron configurations similar to noble gases. Reaction mechanism. In organic chemistry, a reaction mechanism is step-by-step explanation of how a chemical reaction occurs at the molecular level. It describes how bonds break and how new bonds form during the transformation of molecules, reactants into products. There are six main types of reaction mechanism in organic chemistry. These include substitution, addition, elimination, rearrangement, radical, and redox reaction. So as you can see in this picture, this is the substitution reaction, meaning a reaction in which the functional group of one chemical compound is substituted by another group. The next is addition reaction, meaning an organic reaction in which two or more molecules combine to form a large molecule called the adduct. And the next is the elimination reaction, the organic reaction in which two substances are removed from the molecule in a one-step or two-step mechanism. There are the two types of elimination reaction. The first is unimolecular elimination, is a reaction in which the removal of an HX substituent result in the formation of a double bond. And the second is E2 reaction, biomolecular elimination, the E2 mechanism, where E2 stands for biomolecular elimination, involves a one-step mechanism in which carbon-hydrogen and carbon-halogen bonds break to form a double bond. These are the example. The first is rearrangement reaction. The meaning is a broad class of organic reaction where the carbon skeleton of a molecule is rearranged to give a structural isomer of the original molecule. The next is free radical substitution. The meaning is radical reaction are symmetrical bond breaking and bond making processes. The second is redox reaction involving organic compounds are characterized by the addition or removal of atoms bonds. 1.5 Identifying formal charges. The first is formal charges help you figure out how electrons are arranged around atom and molecule. By calculating formal charges, you can tell which atoms might have extra electrons or be short on electrons, which affects the molecule's stability, how it reacts, and how it bonds or forms. The second is valence electrons. The electron in the outermost shell or energy level of an atom. The third is if an atom had a charge, you need the subtract if it's positive and add it a negative. So these are the formula. Fc equals VE and parenthesis B plus D parenthesis. The meaning is Fc formulate charges, VE valence electrons, B bonds line, D dots. And the next is, as you can see, there is a periodic table of the elements. You just memorize it and read it. 1.6 Finding lone pairs that are not drawn. Done pairs are often not drawn on structures either. Again, this is a time-saving measure, but also they need to get in the way and clutter up the structure like hydrogens. You're just supposed to know that they are there. The second is use the valence electrons first. Use the valence electrons, and if an atom had a charge, you need to subtract if it's positive and add if it's negative.